Hey friends, Labrisca with my Eclectic Treasures here, and we are going to make a corrugated cardboard heart wood bead garland. We are starting out with some corrugated cardboard hearts that I am adding a white wash to using a bristle brush and some white acrylic paint. And next I am going to be adding some ribbon. I got this ribbon from Joann. It's a lace ribbon, and I'm going to glue it to the back side of the heart in a ruffle pattern. You can see here how I'm gluing it on in the ruffle pattern, and you just continue that all the way around your heart. Once you complete that part, I'm going to now add pearls around the front side border using hot glue. Once that is added, I'm going to add a crocheted heart to the center of my cardboard heart. I've got the pattern for this crochet heart if you would like that in the comments. And then I'm just going to finish it off by adding another corrugated cardboard heart to the back. And after I get that glued on, I'm going to add a hole to the top of our heart. You can use a hole punch, or you can use any tool that has a sharp point. I'm just using a weeding tool here. We are going to be adding this to a wood bead garland, and I incorporated some of these vintage wood spools to my garland, and I added some pink ribbon that I also got from Joann. That is like a cotton lace to the spools. And I'm going to be stringing those onto the wood bead garland with the wood beads. I'm using two different sizes here, and I am stringing them using jute, which I am going to then add to the other heart using a large darning needle, which I'm using now to string them on. I'm going to pierce the hole that I created in the heart, and we're going to pull the jute through the hole, and then we're going to tie it onto the heart, as you see here. I had to actually use a pair of pliers to pull my jute through, but once I got it through, I was then able to tie it around the wood bead part to secure it. After I tied it a couple of times, I added a little dab of hot glue to secure that, and then I cut my jute. And that's it, my friends. And you have a really pretty wood beaded garland that you can use in your Valentine's decor. I hope that you enjoy this DIY. I hope it inspires you to make something similar for your Valentine's home decor. If you are not following my page, I would love for you to give me a follow. We have a lot of fun here at my Eclectic Treasures. And I appreciate you watching today, friends, and I hope you have a wonderful day and have a very good Valentine's Day.